got a new phone, and so yeah. The mailman's here. Want to see the mailman? Yeah. Okay. Mailman. 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 My daddy's Jeep. Watching you. Hey, look at this. It's a doggy. Hey, Cuz. Sit. Cuzzy. Here, come here, Cuz. My life. Showing you my life. Set my phone right here. My M&M's. And she smiles. The way she smiles. Come on, Cuz. She can dance. Yep. That's right. She can dance. Sit. Want to do math, Cuz? What's 1 plus 2? Sorry guys. Wanna do math, Cuz? What's 1 plus 2? Good girl. Sit. Cuzzy boogie. Boogie. Dance, Cuzzy. Dance. Dance, Cuz. Let's dance. You guys are seeing what I'm saying. Dance, Cuz. Dance, Cuz. Dance, Cuz. Cuzzy, dance. Dance, Cuz. Sit. Cuz. Up here. Come here. Sit. Dance, Cuz. Her nervous twitch. Dance, Cuz. Dance. Dance. Looks like you're going to pee, Cuz. Dance, Cuz. Dance. See, she kind of did it. Dance, Cuz. Cuzzy. Dance. Dance, Cuz. Dance. Sorry, guys. Dance, Cuz. Cuzzy, dance. Dance, Cuz. Kezra. Cuzzy. Dance. Boogie, Cuz. Dance. Dance, Cuz. Kezra. Dance. Dance. I never said roll over. Cuz I'm fine. Have a treat. Oh my gosh. She always misses it. It's so weird. Cause sit. Want to do math? 2 times 2. Good girl. Oh. She found it. Neckies. And they lip balm. This one's, that one's Planters.
Yeah, but it's probably gonna be more than all these.
So, gotta get my snack.
What time are you supposed to go there? Yeah. All right. Okay. All right. Bye.
It's not easy.
Was this car down the basement, Maddie?
Huh?
This car was down the basement?
Mhm.
Okay, because it has to go back down there.
How do you? Oh, that's
Let's
cool.
see. Instructions always.
That's cool. I know how to do it.
You look at the instructions.
My friend has it. I'm pretty sure I know how to do it.
I wonder if it's legal.
Maybe. Maybe not.
You know, I don't know how they can be not spill proof. But you want to be careful with it because this kind of glass and this, dropping it, it will crack.
I know it's plastic.
You want to wash it so they're okay for...
It doesn't say wash.
You always wash the stuff when it's new because of it going through the factory. So this way it's clean.
What's wrong with going through the factory?
Well, because sometimes there's chemicals and different things in the factory.
They wash it.
Maybe it's just made right from when they do the plastic.
Top rack, the dishwasher safe.
Yeah, see, that's the kind of things because you don't want to rinse it. Well, I'm not going to run it through the dishwasher. I'll let it.
But it says no hot items.
Yeah, so it's only for cold. Because, then you just unscrew this, Maddie?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Look at this. Isn't this cool?
Josh would think that's cool that he could eat and drink.
5 flavor popcorn crunch. Grape, banana, cherry. Okay, so purple is grape. Yellow is banana. Red is cherry. Green is apple. And blue is raspberry. My favorite. And I like grape too. Snuggles. Hey Grammy, can I have a snuggle?
Yeah.
Yay. What's it? Okay.
It's cool on the bottom. See the bottom?
I know, I saw that. I was like, in my mind. Someone texted you.
No, that was my calendar reminders.
That's what I do too. I like stick the thing up in it. Snuggles. Oh, my hair.
What are you taking pictures of now?
YouTube.
What?
YouTube.
You have to let people know when you have that on, Maddie, because then that goes on the internet when you post them.
I know.
And, you know, some people don't want to be on the internet. So like when you're at someone's house or whatever, you have to let them know because they may not want, you know, their house recorded.
I know.
Okay, it's clean.
So beautiful. So. Okay. Look how pretty this is.
Daddy was saying about leaving after you got back.
I'm going to the Outer Banks so I can record a video. See you later. Grammy hit the end button. That one. Bye.